Welcome back, folks. We got a rare bird for you here. It's a Nissan Xterra. It's a Pro 4X, and it's a manual 6-speed transmission. Yes, it's rarer than rare. It's ready to go. Trailer tow package, couple owners, super solid body, very nice inside. I drove it personally almost 100 miles and was extremely impressed. Super meaty clutch, mechanics are perfect, air blows ice cold, and she drives like she did back in 2011. Super nice car, folks. Guaranteed credit approvals available if you need it. We're going to start the down payment on this lady at $995. Again, 2011 Pro 4X. Manual transmission. The needle in the haystack here, folks, with the trailer tow pack. GasCleveland.com.